Hey Queens, how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is having a wonderful and great day. If you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Welcome. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If this is the type of content that you like, just stick around. Today, I have been doing more Chanel shopping, if you can tell from the title. And today I would like to share what I picked up and what has to go back. If you're interested, just stay tuned. Alright Queens, if you're new here, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this out into the universe right now. Go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe. Subscribe to the Luxe fam, become a Luxe Queen. You won't be disappointed. Alright, so if you have been watching me, Queens, you know I've been doing a whole lot of Chanel shopping. I have told Anthony, my SA, to only send me pics of things I might like or things that are on my wish list. But he does, but he still sends pics. So he sent a pic of a bag and I was like, oh, I'm interested in it. Let me see what that is. But we will discuss that in a minute. First, I want to share a purchase that I made and they're going back. I don't like them, guys. They're gonna go back. They're not worth the price for how much I like them. So let's look at these. These are some shoes. I picked these up from my SA at Bloomingdale's, Bloomings. And he also sends me pics. And I'll say if I like it or if I don't. And pretty much purchasing afar has kind of worked out. There has sometimes been shoes that are like too big or they don't really fit that well, but these was the case with that. These are the Chanel loafers. They are a multi colorway. I will show you guys. You can see what they look like. Okay, so when I first saw a pic of these, I thought that they were cute and I thought they were interesting. I was like, I love the Chanel on them and I like the top color and the black, and I was thinking, oh, that's gorgeous, it's pretty. But when I received them, put them on my feet, I started to think, okay, how many times are you gonna pull out these loafers? I will post a pic so you can see them on my feet. And all right, so in sizing in Chanel, in all of my sneaks, I have a 39.5. In my espadrilles, I I needed a 39. Okay, the 40 was too big. And also they only come in like whole sizes. So I was adamant with him because all of my other loafers from other brands are, you know, just a 39. And he was trying to send me the 39 and a half, and I was like, no, because I don't want them to slide off my feet. And he was like, okay, I'll send you the 39. Well, he sent the 39 and they hurt my feet on the back. It's kind of weird because if I walk, they kind of like slide out a little bit, but they also feel too snug, like I needed a half size up. I tried to kind of walk around in my closet and in the restroom to see if they would kind of give, and I took pics and kind of looked at them and was like, are they really giving me what they're supposed to give? Are they really? And I'm gonna send them back. They do untie here. Let me show you guys if you're interested in them, which I think is really, really nice for a loafer. Okay, so you can untie them, slide in them, but all I did was try these on, walk in the closet and in the bathroom. Okay, trying to walk around, and they creased really, really badly already. I feel bad about this sending them back, because like whoever gets them are gonna be like, I mean, these are creased, but all I did was try them on, so I'm not sure. So guys, what do you think of these shoes? Are these some that you would rock? These were $13.50. Yes. So with tax, they were a little under like 15, I think. And for how many times I think I'm going to pull these out, it's a no for me. So I'm gonna send these back. So this was the purchase gone wrong, but it's okay. We don't always like everything that we see or we purchase, and we decide that it's not the purchase for us. Now let's get into my latest bag acquirement. You guys know I'm just doing the food with Chanel, but when the opportunity arises, we must show up. We must. So this is a purchase. It's a little purchase. It's an SLG, or what is considered an SLG. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this in my stories, and you already know. So let's just get to it and open it up. Now, how I, okay, like I said, Anthony sent me pics of the, well, actually, he did not send me a pic of this. He sent me a pic of another bag, and I was going to see that bag. And then when I got there and I saw it, I was like, this is too little. What can I do with this little bag? And I'm gonna show it to you. The only thing that you could do with what he did show me is put cards in there, and it's on the chain, and that was it. And I was like, no, I need something a little bit more practical than that. So when he pulled out this one, he said, oh, I wanted to also show you this one. I was like, if I don't buy it, I'm gonna be so upset with myself later. So I did buy it. Isn't this a cute box? Such a cute box. Okay. Let's open this baby up. If you've seen my unboxings before, you know I hate to mess up my ribbon, so I slide it off. Okay. The box. Let's open this up where you guys can see it. It's little. Little. Look at this little mini vanity case. Isn't this the cutest little thing ever? The cutest. I will insert pics of me trying it on. Okay. This is a cute little dainty bag. Love the, let me take this off. Love the top handle on it. Okay. So I was like, what can fit in this bag? So I had things in my purse and I put them in here, and let me see if I know the name of this. It's called Vanity with Chain, and it's an SLG. The price of this was, you can see that, $24.50. Okay, and so it has a, if you can see that, lipstick holder. There's the sticker there for authenticity. What fits in this, and I tried it, is I could put let's see, my AirPods, my keys, cards, lipstick, and there was still a little bit more room, but it will not fit a phone unless you have that new Samsung Flip. I think that might go in here. But an iPhone, no, not at all. So, but this is it, guys. This is it. This is the cutest little thing ever. I will, like I said, insert pics so you can see it on. He said this was new this season. I'm not sure. I know that they have come out with some, but I don't know if they're of this size or if they were a little larger. I'm not sure. But I thought it was adorable, and so I picked it up. That's it, guys. This was a quick little video. I just wanted to share these purchases, and also if you guys have seen those loafers and if you're thinking about them, you will have my take on them. If you have made it this far and you're new, again, I'd ask that you would hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time that I post a video. Really appreciate you stopping in, watching my content. There's tons of YouTubers out there, tons of channels you can watch, and I really appreciate you watching mine. For my family, my repeaters, my ride or dies, I love you to pieces. Thank you so much. I hope you guys stay happy, stay blessed, healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.